If you've ever wondered how to use the eyedropper in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to sample colors in Photopea so you can grab the exact shade you need and keep working faster. This is perfect for matching colors, fixing designs, painting details, or building a consistent look across your project. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, just like this. All right, let's jump in. Let's start with the standard eyedropper tool. This is the easiest method if you want to switch directly to the tool from the toolbar. On the left side of Photopea, look for the Eyedropper Tool icon. It looks like a small dropper, and if you don't see it right away, you can simply press I on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Once the Eyedropper Tool is selected, move your cursor over the image canvas and click directly on the color you want to sample. Photopea will grab that exact color from wherever you clicked. This is especially useful when you want to match colors from a photo, a logo, a background, or another object in your design. After you click, take a look at the color swatches at the bottom of the left toolbar. The front swatch will update immediately to your sampled color. That means the color is now ready to use in tools like the brush tool, the paint bucket, the text tool, or anything else that uses a foreground color. Now let's go to the fastest method, which is perfect if you're already painting or editing and don't want to interrupt your workflow. If you are using the brush tool, you do not need to go back and click the eyedropper tool first. Instead, simply hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac. As soon as you hold that key, your brush cursor temporarily changes into the eyedropper tool. While still holding the key, click on the color you want to copy. Photopea will sample that color instantly, and then when you release Alt or Option, your brush returns right back to normal. This shortcut is a huge time saver because it lets you sample colors on the fly without switching tools manually. So if you're painting shadows, adding highlights, or trying to keep your artwork consistent, this method keeps your workflow smooth and fast. Let's do a quick recap. If you want the manual method, select the eyedropper tool or press I, then click the color you want from the canvas. If you want the fastest method while brush painting, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, click the color, and then keep painting right away. That's really all there is to it. Once you know these 2 methods, using the eyedropper in Photopea becomes quick and effortless. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and I'll see you in the next video.